Finding a trustworthy auto repair shop can feel like an impossible quest for many drivers. When you rely on your vehicle, quality repairs and honest service become essential priorities. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between two local favorites, Rainbow Muffler and Brake and Cleveland Auto Repair. In this exploration, we will dissect aspects like service quality, pricing, and customer satisfaction. By the end, you will understand why Cleveland Auto Repair stands out as the superior choice for all your vehicle's needs. Rainbow Muffler and Brake has served the local community for several years with a focus on specific services. While they are known for their friendly staff and prompt service, feedback is mixed among customers. Some praise their service while others highlight recurring issues and limited service options. Contrasting that is Cleveland Auto Repair, a beacon of reliability and quality in the auto repair industry. Their lengthy history reflects a dedication to honest work and outstanding customer service that builds trust. What sets Cleveland Auto Repair apart are their comprehensive services tailored to meet diverse vehicle needs. From full engine diagnostics to air conditioning repairs, their range covers nearly every automotive requirement. By providing diverse offerings, Cleveland Auto Repair saves you time and hassle, ensuring one-stop shopping. With a focus on craftsmanship, Rainbow Muffler and Brake offers quick fixes but lacks overall quality longevity. Many customers share concerns over repairs that didn't last as long as expected, causing frustration. In contrast, Cleveland Auto Repair promises quality with highly trained technicians and modern techniques. Every technician at Cleveland Auto Repair stays updated with the latest technologies for dependable repairs. Their commitment to preventive maintenance further enhances the safety and durability of your vehicle. When comparing costs, Rainbow Muffler and Brake may appear competitive, yet hidden costs tell a different story. Cleveland Auto Repair provides transparent pricing and ensures detailed estimates before any work begins. With warranties backing their services, they prioritize your peace of mind and long-term value. Customer reviews reveal a stark difference between the two shops, highlighting Cleveland Auto Repair's consistent reliability. Drivers rave about the welcoming atmosphere and expertise that makes every visit reassuring and satisfactory. Rainbow Muffler and Brake lacks additional service perks, like complimentary car washes and shuttle services. Cleveland Auto Repair excels by offering these extra touches that create a seamless experience for customers. Their commitment to supporting local charities further strengthens the bond between Cleveland Auto Repair and the community. Unlike some competitors, they not only fix vehicles but enrich the community around them. In conversations about safety, Cleveland Auto Repair implements thorough inspections, whereas others may cut corners. This attention to detail enhances customer trust and secures positive driving experiences for families. Choose wisely. The right auto repair shop not only fixes your vehicle but also enhances your life on the road. When it comes down to it, the evidence highlights Cleveland Auto Repair as the clear leader in quality services. Opt for Cleveland Auto Repair, where excellence meets customer satisfaction. Your vehicle deserves nothing less.